everyone, welcome back to Daily Tech Skills. In this episode, we're diving into another foundational concept in Java, arrays. By the end of this video, you'll understand what arrays are, how to use them, and how to avoid common mistakes when working with them. What is an array? An array lets you store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for each value. Here's an example of an array that stores car brands. This creates an array with 4 string elements, much cleaner than having 4 separate variables. Here's the general syntax for declaring arrays. However, the first form is preferred in Java for better readability and consistency. And here's the general syntax for declaring, creating, and initializing arrays. Let's see this in IntelliJ. Open your Java project, go to your main class. To declare an array, define the data type and add square brackets and array name, like here. String, square brackets, array names, and semicolon. Now you declared a variable that will hold an array of strings. Let's assign value to it. Array's name equal new data type, curly braces, and semicolon. Inside the curly braces, we can add values. Also, we can do this shorter. Here, we can write these two lines just in one line code, like here. Equal, curly braces, you can access any item in an array using its index number. Remember, Java array index start at 0. That means cars number 0 is the first item and cars number 1 is the second, and so on. To declare that, let's print the first element. Here we want to print the first car, that its index, it should be 0. Let's run it. It should print Volvo for us. We will see it. Yeah, we see it. Volvo is our first car. Attention, if you try to access an index that doesn't exist, for example, if we try to access an index like 5 that does not exist, we will get an error. Let's run it and see the error. Yeah, you can see the error here. Index 5 out of bound for length 4. Also, you can modify an element in an array just by using its index. Our last car is Mazda. We want to change it. Cars, square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we want to index of Mazda. It should be 0, 1, 2, 3. It's 3, okay? Equal, for example, well, Let's run it. Yeah, you can see the result. It means no, the last element is no longer Mazda, it's Opel. To find out how many elements an array has, use the dot length property. Sometimes maybe we have big arrays and with a lot of elements, and during that time we should use length, like here. Parse dot length. Let's see it. Run it. Okay. 4. This is especially useful when looping through arrays using a for loop, like we learned in the last episode. You can also create arrays of other data types, like integers. You can do it here. That's it for today's video on Java arrays. Take some time now to practice, create arrays of different types, try changing values, print the lengths, and test what happens if you go out of bounds. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.